Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the ilike Organic Skincare Grape Stem Cell Solutions webinar for Monday, July 1st, 2013, and we will be meeting from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I wanted to just take a moment to introduce myself to you. My name is Jessica Heron, National Educator for ilike Organic Skincare and Puree Spa Organics. Welcome to the webinar. It is a pleasure to have you with me today. And I would just like to discuss with you our topics that we will be covering today in today's webinar. We will first talk about what stem cells are and how they function, the plant stem cells and their effects on the skin, the effects of grape stem cells in the ilike Organic Skincare regime, the benefits of ilike Organic Skincare Grape Stem Cell Solutions products, and the Grape Stem Cell Solutions product knowledge, overviewing each product in the regime. We will also have a live demonstration of our Grape Stem Cell Solutions facial treatment and also a special offer for our webinar attendees today. So what are plant stem cells? Plant stem cells are the most important cells in our body. They are biological cells that have the potential to regenerate tissue over a lifetime. They are unprogrammed and are found in multicellular organisms and can divide and differentiate into diverse specialized cell types with very specific functions. They can self-renew to produce more stem cells. In humans and animals, there are two broad types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, which are isolated from the inner cell mass of blastocytes, and adult stem cells, which are found in various tissues. Human stem cells are found in every tissue, including the epidermal layer of the skin. They are typically activated in response to injury. They're also a source of continuous skin growth and cell regeneration, but they can be harmed by internal stress, smoke, and unbalanced diet, etc. Besides the embryonic stem cells, adults have so-called adult stem cells in every organ to replenish dying cells and regenerate damaged tissues. Stem cells require that it possesses two properties. The self-renewal property, the ability to go through cycles of cell division while maintaining the undifferentiated state, replenishing itself. Basically meaning that it replicates an identical self to itself. And this is called a father cell. Potency, the capacity to differentiate into specialized cell types called totipotent or pluripotent phase. Two ways of stem cell self-renewal. They divide into one father cell, which is the self-renewal phase, that is identical to the original stem cell, and obligatory asymmetric replication. It also develops into two differentiated daughter cells, another stem cell that undergoes mitosis and produces two stem cells identical to the original, stochastic differentiation. Stem cells in the human embryonic stem cell totipotent phase are cells derived from the inner cell mass of an early-stage embryo. In the early-stage embryo, it then forms a blastocyst, and this is 4 to 5 days post-fertilization, where it creates 50 to 150 cells. In pluripotent phase, they differentiate into one of the more than 220 different cell types of an adult body. And here's a diagram where you can see from the embryonic state of an in vivo fertilized egg into 8-cell embryo, a totipotent phase. The blastocyst and the 4 to 5 days post-fertilization, the 50 to 150 cells, and then in the pluripotent phase here at the bottom, differentiating into one of the more than 220 different cell types of an adult body. Adult stem cells in human multipotent phase. Stem cells are the only cells in adults that can divide and regenerate tissues. We have only a limited number of these cells, which means they have a life cycle. And eventually, these stem cells lose their vitality with age. Replication cycles are slower and even can stop. Human stem cells are also the source of continuous skin growth and cell regeneration, but they can be harmed by the internal stress, smoke, an unbalanced diet, etc., and external stress, UV radiation, pollution, etc. These factors, and then their regenerating capability is jeopardized. So that slows that down, and the aging process can increase. Stem cells are the most precious cells of our body and need to be protected and supported to maintain their vitality. Therefore, it is essential that we replenish the lost stem cells, which can be achieved by using products with plant stem cells. So next we'll talk about what plant stem cells are and how those benefit us and how they function. Plant stem cells are undifferentiated cells located in the meristem cells of plants. This is where growth takes place. They never undergo an aging process. They serve as the origin of plant vitality. They maintain themselves while providing a steady supply of cells to different tissues and organs in plants. They give rise to new specialized cells and unspecialized cells and can grow into any organ, tissue, or cell in the body. They replenish the dying cells and fix damaged tissue while continuously renewing themselves. Meristematic stem cells are incompletely or not at all differentiated and are capable of continued cellular division, cell regeneration. They are concentrated in the roots, the buds, and the fruits of the plants. Plant stem cells are characterized by two distinctive properties: the ability to create all differentiated cell types and the ability to self-renew. Plant stem cells are characterized by two distinctive properties: the ability to create all differentiated cell types and the ability to self-renew, such that the number of stem cells is maintained. Plant stem cells never undergo the aging process, but immortality gives rise to the new specialized and unspecialized cells, and they have the potential to grow into any organ or tissue or cell in the body. Unlike animals, plants are immobile, as plants cannot escape from danger or taking motion. They need a special mechanism to withstand various and sometimes unforeseen environmental stress. And what empowers them to withstand the harsh external influence and preserve life are their stem cells. In fact, plants comprise the oldest and the largest living organisms on Earth. For example, the red pines in California. They've lived for thousands of years and are still living. This is possible because they have a modular body plan that enables them to survive substantial damage by initiating continuous and repetitive formation of new structures and organs, such as their leaves and their flowers. It is essential that the lost skin stem cells are replenished. That can be achieved by using products with plant stem cells. What are the other benefits of using plant stem cells? Well, there are quite a few actually, and that includes that they are safe. Plant stem cells are bioavailable and sustainable, without controversy about them being harvested. So, because they're safe, there's no environmental contaminants such as pesticides, toxins, or heavy metals. The cells grow in a very sterile lab environment. They're available throughout the year. In any season, cell growth can happen within a very short period of time. And of course, they're unlimited. Meristem cell cultivation in high-capacity labs have access to over 100% of plant molecules, even to those that are not available even at harvest time. There's a standard quality in every batch, and it's standardized by controlled biochemistry processes. So for example, like organic certifications. Sustainable. There's no GMOs, absolutely eco-friendly harvesting and cultivation. Frees up land for food crops. Tremendous water saving. No pesticides and fertilizers are necessary. Harvested plant stays alive. Even in rare, protected plants can be harvested. In the future, stem cells have a big potential in regenerative medicine. Medical researchers believe that stem cell therapy has the potential to dramatically change the treatment of many human diseases. A number of stem cell therapies already do exist, particularly like bone marrow transplants that are used to treat, say, like leukemia. And in the future, medical researchers anticipate being able to use technologies derived from stem cell research to treat a wider variety of diseases, including like cancer, Parkinson's disease, MS, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, blindness, and muscle damage, amongst a number of other impairments and conditions, just to name a few. So today, stem cells can help us treat the largest organ of our body with very amazing results. So we will learn that next about the ilike grape stem cells, where we are sourcing our stem cells from the red grapes. Grape stem cells have a regenerative effect on the skin. And they contain a very high amount of antioxidants. antioxidants like resveratrol, anthocyanidins, OPCs, flavonoids. These are free radical scavengers and prevent free radicals from damaging the skin cells. They increase, they are in response directly to stress, like UV damage. And they're also antimicrobial as well, which adds on another benefit of the grape stem cells and the antioxidants. These antioxidants protect the skin from free radicals found in environmental pollutants, smoking, tanning, and sun exposure. The increased cell regeneration, of course, leads to a much more younger-looking skin and can actually slow the aging process. They're harvested from the red grape stem cells, and the ilike organic skincare grape stem cell solution products are harvested from selected unripened red grape berries. In these tissues, the cell viability is very high, so it's possible to obtain cultures with a higher growth potential compared to cells derived from full growth and wounded grape berries, which is actually the typical stem cell method. During the biochemical fermentation process, our grape stem cells are induced to overproduce polyphenols in their glycosylated form. This means they are easily attached to proteins, lipids, and other molecules. These glycosylated molecules are more stable and bioavailable. So what are the effects of the grape stem cells on our skin? The self-renewal growth characteristics of the phytonutrient and protein-packed ilike grape stem cell solutions repair, rejuvenate, and awaken dormant skin cells. They actually act as a younger-looking cells and awaken the dormant skin cells. Dormant cells, actually after they've lived their life cycle, lie dormant. And they sort of hang out there and really don't do anything. So there are younger cells that are kept in reserve to help in the reparative process. Now this in turn will lead to age-delaying protection. So the ilike grape stem cells have the ability to awaken the dormant skin cells, act as younger cells, and then in turn, of course, directly help to slow the aging process. And those are just a little bit of bullet pointing as to what I was just referring to. Now, the UV radiation that is harming the body and the skin is responsible for 80% of the damage due to the epidermal stem cells that leads to aging skin. In the grape stem cell solutions, and also in the grape stem cell ingredients within the red grapes, there's an extremely high content of these polyphenols and anthocyanidins, which are directly helping to protect the skin stem cells from the UV radiation and the premature photoaging. The activity of the skin stem cells is the key factor in ensuring the vitality and the regeneration capacity of our skin. So protecting these cells against UV damage is very critical. The red grape stem cells have extremely high content of the polyphenols and anthocyanidins. So they protect the skin and the epidermal stem cells from the UV radiation and premature photoaging. So the new Grape Stem Cell Solutions products have clinical results to back up our claims, starting with the fact that they're very fast-acting. They immediately attack free radicals. The ilike Grape Stem Cell Solutions products act quickly due to the highly bioavailable polyphenols that are synthesized by the red grape stem cells. The laboratory test shows that the Grape Stem Cell Solutions products reduce radical species rapidly and effectively. They show that these products reduce the free radical content of the skin in as quick as 15 minutes. You can see here where untreated skin doesn't change, whereas the Grape Stem Cell Solutions, when it's put on a treated skin, will act and increase the free radical protecting phase within 15 minutes after the first application. The anti-radical capacity of the skin can more than double. That's a 124% increase. The ilike Red Grape Stem Cell Solutions products are effective skin supplements to neutralize the damaging free radicals caused by the internal stress, smoke, an unbalanced diet, for example, like processed foods, and external UV radiation pollution. These tests showed that skin that was untreated and then a skin that was treated by Grape Stem Cell Solutions more than doubled. That's a 124% increase. More than doubled the anti-radical capacity of the skin. So fast-acting and doubles the anti-free radical capacity. Also, the Grape Stem Cell Solutions are active up to 6 hours after the first application. These products retain their antioxidant effectiveness. Tests were repeated at different times showing that the Grape Stem Cell Solutions protection of the skin can last up to 6 hours after application. So you can see again here an untreated skin and where the treated skin by the Grape Stem Cell Solutions protects more than 6 hours and of course doubles the anti-radical capacity in the skin. These are great tools to use in your marketing as well. So when buying into the Grape Stem Cell Solutions products, utilizing these charts is a great marketing tool. We also have them available in the ad flicks and also in the counter cards and also in the mailing postcards that we provide as part of marketing materials when you purchase the products. So these will be available to you as well when you buy into the product line. So benefits of the Grape Stem Cell Solutions include, but not limited to, regenerative, repair, and rejuvenating properties. They protect the longevity of the skin and follicle stem cells for continuous regeneration at the cellular level. They provide anti-wrinkle properties, wound healing properties, so very fast-acting and in response to injuries. Increased cellular turnover, increasing cellular renewal. Contributes to even skin tone and even texture. Repairs the cellular damage caused by UV radiation, oxidative stress, and environmental stress. So not only is it protecting against intrinsic stress, but also the extrinsic stress as well. Up to 80% improvement in cell regeneration, stimulate healthy cell renewal, and also delays the aging process of the essential cells. So we're actually helping to slow down the process of the dying cell. And not only that, we learned earlier that it's something that can help them to reawaken those dormant cells that are just kind of hanging out there not doing anything and act as the new younger cells. Improves the collagen synthesis in our skin, so it'll in turn help to really improve the tightening and elasticizing effects of the skin. Improving elasticity and tightening and firming. Also, other benefits include antioxidant boosting properties. Supplies the skin with a high amount of polyphenols, anthocyanins, keratins, and also vitamins. So there's a lot of nutritional value to the product as well and in the ingredients. Protects the skin stem cells against UV, free radical, and DNA damage. Provides a natural sunscreen quality. So it's really assisting with boosting our own natural sun defense against UV damage. And when paired with other sun protection, it can really increase the benefits of our sun protection. Of course, increasing the UV and the UVA, UVB tolerance. Defense against aging from prolonged sun exposure, and protect longevity of the skin stem cells. Promoting younger looking skin, maintain healthy stem cell characteristics, longer vitality of the stem cells. Preserves the youthful look and the vitality of the skin, and also slows chronological aging of the skin. So we're actually helping to slow down our aging process and improving the overall appearance of our skin in a whole. So let's talk about the Grape Stem Cell Solutions product knowledge, focusing and concentrating on the products that we are going to be using in our facial protocol and also in the home care regime. This is a full complete system and a full line that helps to treat face, body, hands, and feet. So it's a complete treatment solution from head to toe. We'll first start talking about our Grape Stem Cell Solutions cleansing milk, which is available in a 33.8 ounce and also in an 8.4 ounce size. The 33.8 ounce is our large professional back bar size, and the 8.4 ounce can be your professional back bar and also a retail item in that size. This is a gentle cleansing milk with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for premature or mature skin that removes makeup and impurities while reducing the visible signs of aging. So it's a very soft, creamy cleanser that is oil-based with grapeseed oil, grape pulp, grape stem cells, grape skin, orange oil, and lemon oil. Now remember that our products are based on herbal pulps, not processed extracts. So you will see in our products that our ingredient listing usually will include most of that part of the fruit, the pulp, the skins, and the seeds of the products. And you'll see that in the product itself as well. Now, we have complementary ingredients that help to provide even more vitamin and nutritional content and antioxidant properties, and also completes a very perfect formulation for providing us with a more effects of revitalizing and also protection. The nutrients located in the next section of the ingredient knowledge here, you'll see the OPCs, which are oligomeric proanthocyanidins. Those are found in the grape seeds and have a very strong antioxidant effect, really helping to promote protection against environmental and also intrinsic stress. Polyphenols are also a form of antioxidant, and the phytoestrogens are naturally occurring within the grape seeds. That provides collagen stimulation, a firming and a lifting and a tightening effect. You'll also see more antioxidants listed here like bioflavonoids and resveratrol, and the nutrient vitamin content that are naturally occurring in the grapes. Carotene is another form of an antioxidant, provitamin A, which also combats sun damage. The natural occurring biosugars and fruit acids and phenols and iron and trace elements, which are minerals that are essential for sustaining life in living organisms. So you will see that these key ingredients are kind of going to be repetitive throughout the product knowledge and are our key active ingredients in our product line here. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Hydrating Mist. This is available in a 4.2 ounce size. That is for professional and also for retail. This is a hydrating and a purifying toner with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for all skin types that reduces the visible signs of aging. Now the hydrating mist can be applied after cleansing and also after the exfoliation steps. These are specifically to address balancing the natural pH of the skin after those steps, cleansing and exfoliating. When we cleanse the skin and when we exfoliate, we change the natural pH of the skin. So in order to bring that back, we use a toner to follow. It will also help to remove any residue of makeup that may have been missed and also any cleanser that may still be left on the skin. There are a few different ways to apply the toner, which I will demonstrate how to use each step within the facial demonstration in more detail. Your active ingredients include grape pulp, grape stem cells, grape skin, grape orange oil, and lemon oil. You'll notice what's missing here is the grapeseed oil. This is really the biggest difference between the ingredients in the two products. To perfect the formulation, we eliminate the heavier grapeseed oil. Grape Stem Cell Solutions Polishing Scrub. This is available in an 8.4 ounce large professional and a 4.2 ounce small professional and a 1.7 ounce retail size. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Polishing Scrub is your exfoliation step that can be used as your exfoliator in your facial treatment and also once or twice a week in your home regime. The Grape Stem Cells Cleansing Milk and Hydrating Mist will be daily products that are used once or twice a day, versus the Polishing Scrub, which will be a weekly regime product. This product is a gentle exfoliator with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for normal to dry skin that removes dead skin cells and impurities and reduces the visible signs of aging. The polishing scrub is a mechanical or a physical granular type of exfoliator. It's a mechanical modality. So you will notice that it does have some texture to it, which are crushed grape seeds. And that is going to be the source of the granule that you're feeling in this product. The active ingredients include the grape pulp, the grapeseed oil, grape stem cells, grape skin, orange oil, and lemon oil again. And then, of course, the antioxidants and mineral and vitamin content is very consistent within the line. And popping up next are going to be some pictures and visuals of what the products look like. Here we go. There's the toner and your polishing scrub. And these pictures are more the back bar and the retail size, but the bottles in the 33.8 ounce are going to be much larger. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Gel Mask. This is available in an 8.4 ounce, which is your large professional, and your small professional 4.2 ounce, and also available in a retail size of a 1.7 ounce. This is a mask that's an antioxidant mask with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for premature skin that reduces the visible signs of aging. This product is a wonderful product to increase the elasticity and hydration level of the skin. It is a weekly product that is applied once or twice a week, and is best when it's followed by the exfoliating polishing scrub. When you exfoliate and remove the dead skin cells, you're prepping and preparing your skin to absorb and penetrate your treatment products faster and deeper into the skin. So the treatment products will actually be more effective following the polishing. So I highly recommend that we recommend to the clients that they use their exfoliating scrub first prior to the mask when they're using it as a part of the home regime. And of course, in the professional treatment, the Grape Stem Cell Solutions Gel Mask will be a part of your mask step. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Serum, available in a 1.2 ounce. It's an antioxidant boosting and elasticizing serum for all skin types with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells that reduces the visible signs of aging. Our serums are the most highly concentrated product in the line. So this is going to be the most effective in introducing the stem cells into the skin. One of the things that I recommend about the stem cell serum is that you use it on a temporary basis. One of the things that happens to the skin when we start using a product for long periods of time is that it only has the capability sometimes to work to a certain degree of effectiveness. And once we can discontinue the use and then reintroduce it at a later time, we can then now reignite and reawaken the ability for the product to become more effective again. So what I recommend is that you alternate the treatment serum every other bottle. So move through a whole bottle of the product on your client for your client's home regime. And then once that bottle is finished, you can recommend another serum that may be appropriate for their needs and flip-flop back and forth between the serums. And there's a picture of our Grape Stem Cell Solutions serum available in the 1.2 ounce bottle, and that is for professional and for retail size as well. Now the Grape Stem Cells Moisturizer. This is available in your 8.4 ounce and a 4.2 ounce jar. Those are professional sizes. That would be your large professional size and also the small professional in the jar, and then a 1.7 ounce jar for retail. This is a hydrating and an antioxidant moisturizer with highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for premature skin that reduces the visible signs of aging. Your active ingredients are grape pulp, grapeseed oil, grape stem cells, the grape skin, the orange oil, and the lemon oil, and of course the antioxidants and vitamins and nutrients and phytoestrogens are going to be consistent with the rest of the line. This will be a neutral texture or a medium textured type of a moisturizer. In the ilike organic skincare products, we have 3 different types of textures of our moisturizers. We have whipped moisturizers, we have regular textured moisturizers, and then we have rich moisturizers and rejuvenating treatments. When the product just says moisturizer and it doesn't say whipped in front of it, and it doesn't say rich or rejuvenating treatment, this means that it is a more neutral pH type of a moisturizer. More perfect for your normal to dehydrated skin. It's going to be still a hydrating moisturizer, but we do have a rich moisturizer for someone who has more oil or water deficient skin type, which we're going to talk about next. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Rich Moisturizer, which is available in an 8.4 ounce, large professional, a small professional 4.2 ounce, and a retail size of a 1.7 ounce. This is a more deeply hydrating antioxidant moisturizer with, again, the highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells for dry, mature skin that reduces the visible signs of aging. Your active ingredients, again, include the grapeseed oil. What's different about this one versus the medium textured moisturizer are 2 oils, corn germ oil and coconut oil. They're both a heavier weight of a molecule of an oil that really draws the oil and the nutrients deeper into the skin and will provide you with more of a boosting effect of oil replacement. And coconut oil is very soothing. It's a very healing oil and also an anti-inflammatory oil as well. So you do get some calming benefits because of that. And again, you have grape pulp, a shea butter-based type of a finish to your moisturizer, which actually provides even more of a tiny bit of a more matte finish. It kind of helps to balance out the heavier oils that we have in this product. You get a rich, deeply hydrating product without a greasy type of a feel. But it is a very beautiful texture finish in this moisturizer. Very ideal for those type of clients that are very oil and water deficient. You also have, of course, the grape stem cells, our grape skin, our orange oil and lemon oil, and of course your antioxidants and nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Now, as a reminder, you can use our moisturizers, especially those rich ones, even for a deeper massage. And if you want to enhance your moisturizer, you can also do that as well, say with, for example, our Q10 serum. Now, our Q10 serum is one of our oil serum concentrates, and it has grapeseed oil, evening primrose oil, and marjoram oil. And this is a really nice oil that you can enhance your moisturizer with antioxidant benefits, deeply moisturizing, and also wonderful aromatherapeutic benefits as well. And you can enhance the massage experience if you add a little bit of the oil into the moisturizer. So this is something that is a customized type of technique where you can utilize your moisturizers for enhancing the penetration and the absorption with a longer massage. And I'm boosting it with one of our oil concentrates. Specifically, the Q10 would be my recommendation or suggestion. And then our Grape Stem Cell Solutions Body Wrap, which is a 33.8 ounce large professional size. It is only available in our large professional size. I'm sorry that I do not have a picture of it, but it is similar to what our cleanser bottles look like if anyone out there has any of the cleanser bottles. This is an antioxidant body mask with a highly potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells that reduces the visible signs of aging. Your active ingredients include grape pulp, grape skin, the grape seed oil, and orange oil and lemon oil. Our body wraps pretty much play off of the skincare products, so you will find that there's going to be much similar benefits to utilizing your body wraps on the body like they do, the similar effects like they have on the skin. The formulation has been perfected so that the ease of spreading the product on the body is much more feasible. What you would do is exfoliate the body first with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions polishing scrub, and then shower it off and then apply the body wrap. Wrap the client for 20 minutes, and then the client would detox in their body wrap for 20 minutes. And while they're detoxing in the body wrap, you can do a wonderful, beautiful scalp massage, or even do acupressure on the face during that detoxing period. You can create a wonderful body treatment around these two products, the Grape Stem Cells, or three products, I'm sorry, the polishing scrub, the body wrap, and the body lotion, which we're going to talk about next. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions body lotion is available in a 33.8 ounce size and also a smaller retail size of an 8.4 ounce bottle. This provides skin softening, antioxidant benefits with potent free radical neutralizing grape stem cells that reduces the visible signs of aging. You'll also get a nice firming and lifting and tightening benefits as well with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body lotion. And you can do massage with the body lotion. You can even enhance the body lotion with our firming grapeseed body oil. And the body oil will provide more slip and nutrient penetration. It can be used for after bath and shower, or massage during the treatment, or a hydration lotion application. Okay, so before we get to talking about our special offer, I do want to share with you the Grape Stem Cell Solutions protocols, which I forgot to load really quickly, so I will just load those very, very quickly for us here. So bear with me for a moment while I bring this up. Just taking a little bit of an overview of our protocols. This would be the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body treatment that we're starting with right now. As you can see, the protocols give you a brief description of the treatments, which you can use in your menu descriptions if you are adding the Grape Stem Cell Solutions treatments to your spa menu. You can also utilize this verbiage for promoting in your marketing, in your advertising, or even on on-hold phone recordings as well, for your for your call centers. Stem cells are the most important cells in the body, or in the skin. They are the source of continuous regeneration of the epidermis. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions treatments are recommended for devitalized, dehydrated, for dry, mature, loose, wrinkled, and environmentally stressed skin. Grape stem cells promote the regeneration of skin and delays the appearance of signs of aging. They also protect the skin stem cells against UV stress. Clinical studies show a reduction of free radical content of the skin in as quick as 15 minutes. It also more than doubles the anti-radical capacity of the skin and an active protection of the skin for more than 6 hours. This is some great verbiage on how to describe our treatments and also the products themselves. In your Grape Stem Cell Solutions body treatments, you will need the suggested supplies that are listed here: sheets, mylar blanket, warm blanket, a body brush for applying the body wrap is optional, a bowl for water, and 5 to 6 regular sized towels for a dry room technique. You may need more for a wet room. Product needed for the treatment are 3 or 4 products: Grape Stem Cell Solutions Polishing Scrub, Grape Stem Cell Solutions Body Wrap, and the Grape Stem Cell Solutions Body Lotion with the firming grapeseed body oil. As a note, remember before our body treatments that we do not suggest that they use lotions or oils before the treatment to enhance the experience and the effectiveness of the treatment. Step 1 is our exfoliation, Grape Stem Cell Solutions Polishing Scrub, where the client starts face down. You apply with a light effleurage motion starting on the back and continuing to the whole body. After the application of the polishing scrub, have the client shower after the exfoliation. If you're doing a dry room treatment, you can towel this off. Step 2 is the body wrap. Apply the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body wrap, regenerating and antioxidant boosting body wrap. The client starts face down. Apply the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body wrap. You may use the body brush at this step to apply the product. Once the product has been applied to the back, have the client turn and continue on the front. Once complete, wrap the client in the sheets for about 15 to 20 minutes while the client is wrapped up. A relaxing scalp massage is a great option, or the acupressure on the face that I mentioned before too is another great option. Step 4 is your hydration and massage. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions body lotion and may be enriched with the firming grapeseed body oil. The firming grapeseed body oil is a great option. It contains grapeseed oil, it also has jasmine oil, and it also has mandarin oil. It also enhances the aromatherapeutic benefit of the product and also enhances the firming and the lifting and tightening effects of the hydration application. The amount of oil depends on how much slip you would like, how long the massage is. Suggested amount is about 15 drops of oil to a ½ ounce of moisturizer. This portion should be enough for the whole body for an average-sized client. And you should have about 20 minutes left at this time to do a really nice body rub down. And if you would like to upgrade the service to a 90 or 120-minute service, you can also do that as well and add a longer massage. Now, the Grape Stem Cell Solutions facial is a 60-minute protocol, starting with a 60-minute cleansing step to remove makeup, eye makeup, and most of the dust or pollution. Grape Stem Cell Solutions cleansing milk will be your first cleansing step, where you apply just a small amount of cleanser over the face and the neck and the décolleté, and you massage it in for 30 to 60 seconds, moving your fingertips in circular motions, and then remove with a damp face towel. Step 2 is a cleansing step with nettle exfoliating wash. This is our second cleansing step to remove, to perfectly cleanse the skin and remove any residue of makeup or cleanser that may have been missed. You just mix a small amount of cleanser with water in the hands and then apply it and massage it into the skin with your fingers for 1 to 3 minutes in circular motions, covering the entire face and neck and avoiding the eye area. Remove it completely with the damp face towel. Now, moving back to step 1, the cleansing milk not only is a facial cleanser, but also can remove eye makeup. Now, step 2, the nettle exfoliating wash cannot be put around the eyes or into the eye area, as it will burn and sting the skin. So just make a note to be aware that that product will irritate the eye area. Step 3 is toning, and that is to balance the pH of the skin, even out your pores, and infuse with vitamins and minerals. The Grape Stem Cell Solutions Hydrating Mist is going to be your product for toning. You would simply apply it in one of 3 ways. You can simply spray the toner on the skin by spritzing it and then wipe the skin with a cotton pad moistened with toner, or apply toner directly to the skin with your hands as a splash. So I will demonstrate those 3 ways when next in the facial demonstration. Step 4 is the exfoliation, and that's to remove dead skin cells from the skin surface and refine the complexion. You would use the Grape Stem Cell Solutions polishing scrub, apply it to the skin in medium thickness, and then massage it in circular motions for 1 to 3 minutes. Leave it to sit for about 5 minutes, and then run steam on the top of it while polishing. And that's optional as well. That's something that you can omit if you need to, if they have sensitive skin or they get red very easy or blotchy easy. Otherwise, you can exfoliate with the steam at the same time. Then remove with a damp face towel. And then step 5 is your toning step following exfoliation with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions hydrating mist to balance the pH of the skin after exfoliation. Step 6 is massaging with keratin massage cream. Just go ahead and massage this into the skin, and you can run the steam over the product. Now, the steaming is to enhance the massage experience. It massages this, and provides you with more slip, and you can actually increase your massage experience and the slip of the cream. You can increase the massage slip with running the steam over the massage cream. And this will allow you to provide a longer massage. It'll also emulsify oil and impacted skin, and can also make your extraction process much easier. You would then extract after the massage and then follow with your treatment mask. After removing the massage cream, you would move into step 7, which is the Grape Stem Cell Solutions gel mask. Apply and compress with moistened gauze right over the top of the mask, and then cover with a dry face towel to allow for deeper absorption and faster penetration of the mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then completely remove it with a damp face towel. After the treatment mask, apply hydration, which would be step 8. First, what I like to do is apply my serum first before my eye product. It's listed eye product first, but I recommend applying your serum first because you can bring the serum up to the eye area and then choose one of your eye products and gently tap around the eye area with the eye cream from the inside to the outer edge of the eyes. And then follow with your moisturizer. By applying a nickel size of the moisturizer over the serum and the eye cream, do a light massage with the product and leave it on. And then you can vary the length of the treatment by the length of the massage, and you can add a couple of drops of the Q10 serum like I was mentioning earlier. Or even hydrating mist to the moisturizer, or dip your hands periodically to give slip and enhance your massage experience. Choose a lip balm. Select the client's favorite flavor to treat dry or chapped lips and to hydrate and soften the lips. You will then go ahead and do sun protection. And the sun protection is, of course, to help prevent against UV damage, and this is a very, very important step. Tomato suntan lotion would be your sun protection, and then it is a cream gel formula, so it actually spreads very nicely and evenly over the moisturizer and has a matte finish, so it doesn't feel heavy or greasy. And it is an equivalent to an SPF 15 with a physical titanium block that will also assist with protecting against UVA and UVB damage. Now, the last protocols are the pedicure and the manicure. Now, these are very simple protocols, so if the service in your spa is actually more detailed with more steps, you can just simply add them in between. But both the pedicure and manicure begin with a soaking of the mineral exfoliating wash in your pedicure tub or in your manicure bowl. You then move into step 2, which is the cuticle treatment. And in this step, we recommend the botanical AHA peel on the cuticles on both the hands and feet. Let it sit for a minute, place the feet in water and the hands back in the water, remove them, and then push back the cuticles using your callus file. You may file the feet when doing a pedicure. Step 3 is the exfoliation with the polishing scrub, using effleurage scrubbing lotion for 3 to 5 minutes, and then place the hands or the feet back in the water to rinse. Step 4 is the treatment with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions gel mask, and wrap the feet for 10 minutes, and then place your feet in water to remove the mask. And then same thing with the hands. Place the hands in water to remove the mask. Step 5 is hydration and massage with the body lotion, the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body lotion, and then enriched with Q10 serum, and then proceed with the polish after the massage. So that completes the full head-to-toe treatments that we have, the body treatment, the facial, and the mani-pedi. So next we're going to move into our live demonstration of the Grape Stem Cell Solutions facial. And I'm going to stop sharing the screen and set up the video. So if you'll just bear with me a moment, I'm just going to pause for a moment and move over to our model today and start sharing the camera with you guys. Here we go. All right, so we are ready to begin the facial. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. So I'm just going to place a headband over your hair. Let's do, actually, I have a better, those headbands aren't very stretchy. There we go, this will be better. Nice cap. There we go. Much better. All right, we're going to start by showing you what I would recommend for your supplies for the facial. What I've done is I've done a pre-setup for my facial, making sure I have all the products that I need for the treatment, and then also my supplies, like my spatulas and cotton. I've just got to grab 2 more products over here. All right, so we're going to begin with your supplies, which always have a pair of scissors. And what I did is I actually had to pre-cut some of my round cotton pads for my eye makeup removal that I'll demonstrate first. So I have a few round cotton pads, and then I also have 4x4 aesthetic wipes because we might want these for toner, and we'll also want them for our mask compress. I also have a bowl for water, and then I also have hand sanitizer. I also have an extra towel for my compress that's going to go over the treatment mask. And you also want to have 5 hot towels for the removal of your mask products and your cleansers products and those products that we are going to use during the facial. So first I'm going to take 2 half-round cotton pads that I've cut in half, and I'm going to dampen them in water. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to just place them underneath the eye area. So I'm going to have you look up towards me, just with your eyes, yep. And I'm just going to place them right underneath the eye area. Okay, and you can close your eyes. And I'll just have you look down again. There you go. Perfect, thank you. Now this is going to help catch the mascara or eyeliner that I'm cleansing off. So that way after the removal, she doesn't have raccoon eyes or mascara or eyeliner down underneath below the eye area. So I'm taking a round cotton pad, and I'm simply going to pump 1 pump of cleanser on the cotton pad. Holding down one of the cotton pads underneath the eye, I'll gently skim over the eyelashes, back and forth, and down the lashes, and also over the eyelid and over the brow. Working in inward circular motions until the eye makeup is completely off. I'll do another pump of cleanser on the clean side of the pad and proceed with removing the eye makeup on the other eye. That's good. And it's very easy and quick to remove the eye makeup. It's an oil-based cleanser, so you will have no problem removing eye makeup with this product. Now to complete the facial cleansing step, I will pump out about 3 pumps of cleanser in my hand. And before I do any emulsifying, what I can do is to apply this directly to the skin. Because it's oil-based, you should have no issues with it spreading on the skin. You can also use steam at the same time while you cleanse. That'll also assist with emulsifying the product. It'll also start to get the exfoliation process ignited by loosening up dead skin cells and warming the skin. So just begin by applying the cleanser all over the face and neck, and then work it in to the skin by starting on the neck and then working up to the facial area to the chin, to the cheeks, the nose, and the forehead. Now, if you start to feel the product disappear, the client tends to be dehydrated. Sometimes the product will just quickly absorb into the skin. So you can re-emulsify it by dipping your hands in the water and adding a little bit of another pump of cleanser. Cleansing over the lip, the lower and the upper lip, the chin, and up the sides of the nose. Cleansing the cheeks. And the forehead. And then lastly around the eyes. Once complete, remove with a damp face towel, or you can also use damp sponges too. Next, I will begin the second cleansing step with a nettle exfoliating wash, and this is a light exfoliation step. The pH of this cleanser is pretty high. It's an alkaline cleanser. It ranges around an 8 to a 9 and will soften and remineralize the skin and provide a light exfoliating effect and help to increase the absorption of the other products that are to follow. It's also a very hydrating cleanser and also an antioxidant boosting cleanser. I've just added a couple pumps in my hand, and I will immediately emulsify it with water, just a few drops, and it becomes white and bubbly and sudsy in my hand. And then it's ready to apply to the skin. The steam will also enhance and increase the exfoliation effect during this step as well. Remember that this is not safe for the eye area, so do not cleanse the eye makeup with this cleanser. And be careful when you use your hands around the eyes so you don't touch the lashes during your cleansing. So that way there's no chance of getting it in the eye. Now you can cleanse for a minute to about 3 minutes. The first cleansing step is just about a minute or so. You can take a little bit more time with the second cleanser. And remove with a damp face towel or damp sponges. Once removed, then we'll tone the skin with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions Hydrating Mist. And I'll show you the 3 ways that I was talking about during the step-by-step protocol overview of how to apply the toner. You can simply spray it onto the skin by instructing the client to keep the mouth closed and then cover the eyes, hold the bottle straight up and down behind the client, and then you'll simply pump the toner once, twice, and then press it into the skin with your hand for a hydrating application. Or, if you want to use it as a splash, another hydrating step, just simply spray it into your hand and then press it into the skin. Or you can use your aesthetic wipes, your 4x4 pads, or cotton pads. I prefer the aesthetic wipes. And then you directly spray it onto the wipes. As you can see, you're going to use a little bit more product to spray onto the wipes than you do in a hydrating application. So actually in the hydrating application, you're actually saving your product. But this is also a very nice deep cleansing step as well. It really does help to remove any excess residue of makeup or cleanser that may have been missed, especially if they have a more impure skin. They'll get a deeper cleansing effect by using your cotton pads. Now, the next step is the exfoliation step, which we can run steam over, which I recommend because it increases the effectiveness of the exfoliation. And you'll use the Grape Stem Cell Solutions polishing scrub. Use about a teaspoon. Apply that to the back of my hand. And apply that to the face and the neck area. Work it in circular motions, and then leave it to sit on the skin for a few minutes. This is a very creamy texture, so the application of the scrub will be very easy to work with. I also like to do some side-to-side strokes versus the circles. It's a nice way to thoroughly exfoliate without missing any areas by just gliding your hand side to side across the skin, down the nose and up the sides of the nose, in between the brow, over the brow, and onto the forehead. You can repeat 2 to 3 times, or as much as needed. If you want to kick in the effects of the product and a hydrating booster or even detoxifying booster, you can also add as a suggestion the nettle and algae treatment, which is a hydrating boosting product. It's a specialty product that contains cinnamon oil and also Hungarian green cherry peppers. It'll add a kick of stimulation to the exfoliating step or even the mask step. And what it does is it provides an oxygenating effect. It also has phytoestrogens to enhance the tightening and elasticizing and firming of the skin. And it'll also boost the effectiveness of the product as well. And this can be added into your exfoliator, the polishing scrubber, into your gel mask. And you can pump about 1 to 3 pumps anywhere, depending on the level of stimulation that you want to create. I would start with a little and add more if you need it. And then also you can play with it too by testing it on yourself to see how much stimulation that you're actually willing to do or your client is willing to do as well. And that comes in a 4.2-ounce bottle, and it's only available in this size. And it's for professional and also retail size as well. So we're going to let this just sit for a couple more minutes on her skin. Now what you can do while she's actually sitting with the polishing scrub and the steam on is do a scalp massage, or you can do shoulder and neck massage, or a foot massage. And that also kind of passes the time a little bit, but then you're constantly keeping in contact with the client. Just going to rub my hands off and then do a little shoulder and neck massage with the Grape Stem Cell Solutions body lotion and the firming grapeseed body oil, which we talked about using in the body treatment, and we can also use it for the hand and arm massage as well at the end of the facial. If your client is very sensitive or gets red or blotchy easy, it's okay to omit the steam in this step. It's not something that's absolutely necessary. You'll still get a light exfoliating effect and a softening effect when you do your massage too. The warming of the skin between the hands and your client will happen during the friction of the massage, and you will create heat with your massage movement, so you'll still get an emulsifying benefit without the steam. Once complete, then go ahead and remove the polishing scrub, the Grape Stem Cell Solutions polishing scrub, with a warm, damp towel. I recommend the warm, damp towel over the sponge. It's a little easier to get the granules off. And then you can also do a dry blot at the end of the removal in order to help remove those granules a little easier off the skin. And I'll demonstrate that next. I'm going to omit the steam during the massage step so you will be able to see the massage movements easier through the webcam. It sort of gets in the way of the vision between the steam and my massage movements. Okay, so next is the toning step, and I'm going to use that toner to balance the natural pH of her skin, just like I did after we cleansed the skin, and also to help remove some of the residue of the polishing scrub left over on the skin. So what I'm going to do is simply mist this on the skin, or cotton pads are actually a better option because, again, it'll help to remove those the granules from the polishing. Now I can take a piece of tissue and do a dry blot with the tissue. Create a hole in the middle for the nose and the mouth. It's just ripping a small hole. Press your hands onto the tissue, and it'll help to attach some of those loose granules that may be still sitting on the skin. And then pat and roll with the tissue over the neck and face. And you can sort of sweep away any loose granules still sitting on the skin. Feels pretty good. Next, we're going to move into the massage step with our keratin massage cream. Keratin massage cream has calendula, it has lavender, and also flaxseed oil. And this is a wonderful massage cream that provides you with continuous slip, some firming and lifting and tightening benefits and anti-wrinkle benefits, but some soothing and calming benefits as well. And it's a wonderful cream for your normal, dry, or dehydrated client, and will also provide you with wonderful aromatherapeutic benefits from the calendula and the lavender. Promotes relaxation. So I'll start with about a teaspoon amount. And that's really all I find that I need. I never really find that I have to add more product. And also the steaming will increase the effectiveness of your slip as well. Provides antioxidant benefits because calendula has some provitamin beta-carotene, provitamin A, to also increase your antioxidant boosting effects, helping to combat sun damage. And just spread it all over the face, neck, and décolleté area. Begin with a shoulder and neck massage. I'm going to move up to the chin area to do a firming lifting massage with petrissage movements beginning on the mandible by the chin and out towards the earlobe. And back in again. Repeat 3 times. Move the hands up to the zygomatic arch, moving your fingers from the nostril to the temple area, and repeat 3 times. Back and forth. Glide across the cheeks up to the forehead to walk over to the other side of the face and repeat your petrissage massage from the mandible on the left side. Chin to the earlobe. Working under the mandible bone. Move the hands down to the upper and lower lip, massaging figure eights under the chin. End your firming movements with the swan movement. Moving into full circle, half circle. Moving counterclockwise first. And half circle is my left arm, and my full circle is my right. Walking across the neck and the décolleté. Complete moving clockwise. And each time is 3 times on each side. Down to the chin. And we're going to begin rolling movement. Massage the cheeks. And working in the center of the face with a series of rolling movements with the triangularis muscle to start. At the corner of the mouth. And out on the laugh line. And up the side of the nose, the nasolabial folds. And repeat 3 times. Roll across the cheeks, walking inwards in vertical lines out to the outer edge of the face. Walking across the forehead to repeat the set of rolling movements on the left side. Triangularis muscle, corner of the mouth.